So the first example we are going to do on indices, we have 9a, all this raised to power 1 over 3 times 4 b squared, all this raised to power 1 over 3. Then we divide, this one we divide 6 raised to power 4, and then here will be 5a. So we are going to solve that. Solution to this. So 9a raised to power 1 over 3, 9a raised to power 1 over 3. So this power is going to multiply whatever is the bracket here, which will be 9 raised to power 1 over 3, a raised to power 1 over 3. Then over 6 raised to power 4, over 6 raised to power 4. So 9 raised to power 1 over 3 means, this implies that 9 raised to power 1 over 3 is the same as the cube root of 9. The cube root of 9, which will be given by 3 squared raised to power third, which now is a product of two powers, which will give us 3 raised to power 2 over 3. 3 raised to power 2 over 3. Therefore, this one becomes 3 raised to power 2 over 3, a raised to power 1 over 3, over 6 raised to power 4. So we are done with this. We go to this one. So 4b squared raised to power 1 over 3. So also is a product of two powers, so which will give us 4 raised to power 1 over 3, then b raised to power 2 over 3, over 5a, or 5a. That is the simplification at that level. This now gives us 3 raised to power 2 over 3, a raised to power 1 over 3, over 6 raised to power 4, times 4 raised to power 1 over 3, b raised to power 2 over 3, over 5a, over 5a. Still we can split 4 to give us 2 squared. So it will be 3 raised to power 2 over 3, a raised to power 1 over 3. This one the same as sin out is 3 times 2 raised to power 4 times 2 squared times 1 over 3, which will give us this will give us 3 raised to power 2 over 3, a raised to power 1 over 3, over 3 raised to power 4, times 2 raised to power 4, times 2 raised to power 2 over 3, b raised to power 2 over 3, over 5a. 5a is 5 a raised to power 1. So you can see here, we have base 3 and base 3 here. You also have base 2 here and base 2 here. And also we have a here, we also have base a there. So what we do, 3 raised to power 2 over 3, we will divide raised to power 4. I remember what you said about division of numbers with the same base. We subtract their powers. So this one will be 3 raised to the power 2 over 3 times a raised to the power 1 over 3 times 2 raised to the power 2 over 3 times b raised to the power 2 over 3 over 3 raised to the power 4 times 2 power 4 times 5a. So this and this will give us 3 raised to the power 2 over 3 minus 4 times 2 over 3 minus 4. You're picking a number in the numerator and denominator with the same base times b raised to the power 2 over 3 times a raised to the power 1 over 3 will be left with 5a. With 5a. So when you subtract the powers here, 2 over 3 minus 4 will be 3 raised to power, that is 2 over 3, let's do this first. 2 over 3 minus 4 will give us so the LCM of 3 and 1 will be 3 times 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 2 is 2. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So 2 minus 4 will be minus 10 over 3. So that one will be 3 minus 10 over 3 times 2. The same. We have 2 over 3 minus 4 will be minus 10 over 3 times b raised to the power 2 over 3 times, so we have a raised to the power 1 over 3 over 5a raised to the power 1. So you can also divide this, or you leave it that way. So over 3 negative 10 over 3 times 2 negative 10 over 3 times 2, b raised to the power 2 over 3 times a 1 over 3 over 5a. You can just leave our answer in that way.